FaMe presents a new module which advanced the existing FaMe Smart City solution. The new FaMe QR code function upgrades the Smart City experience. The Smart City citizens report issues with a simple QR code scan. The citizen helps to run the city in good conditions. The QR codes are mounted across the city. Everybody has the option to report a problem with his smartphone. No app or other installations at the smartphone necessary. No limits. Waste pollution inside a building, or outside at the park area, or the escalator stops. The QR codes are mounted near the objects. Irrigation pipe broken. The AI-based pick list selection function offers only fault descriptions, which belongs to the type of area and the objects. The FaMe function opens after the scan automatically the report form. The user reports a problem or asks for a service. In this case, the citizen reports a waste collection issue. The QR code carries already the location information. The location information appears at the form. The user chooses from a pick list the service category. The FaMe system generates the pick list phrases automatically on demand. Depending on the location, timing, asset, and previous reports, the user has the option to take a photo or describes the issue in detail at the message field. The user sends with pressing the OK button the message. The function is applicable for every kind of issue. All tickets appear at a central dashboard or at special dashboards, which are dedicated to areas or to the kind of the problem. The dashboard shows all tickets, not only the QR code-generated tickets. A click at the plus symbol opens the ticket. The ticket carries all important information: location, timing, category, and photo. He selects an available field engineer. If he presses the button Route, the system shows the actual position of the selected field engineer. The supervisor adds spare parts or work instructions. As an option, the FaMe system checks automatically if there is a CCTV near the location. To check the problem visual online, please check the date of the video. FaMe improves continuously the functions. Maybe this video not shows the actual version of the module.